Hello everyone, good day for all. I am Dr. Kavya Vasudev. Hope you all have seen my last video where we started studying Ashtanga Hridaya. I received a lot of comments for the explanation of shlokas. So from this video, I will be providing you a small description of each shlokas. Welcome to Ayur Samveda, where Ayurvedic tradition makes advanced health solutions. Please subscribe to my channel and enable the bell button for continuous updates. Let's move to the video. प्रथमो अध्यायः आयुष्कामीय अध्याय मंगलस्तुति रागादिरोगान् सततानुशक्तान् अशेषकाय प्रसृतान् अशेषान् औत्सुक्य मोहारतितान् जघान यो पूर्ववैद्याय नमोस्तु तस्मै. The padas are ragadi rogan satatanushaktan asheshakaya prasritan asheshan outsukya moha aratitan jaghana yo apurva vaidyaya namo astu tasmai. The meaning of this shloka: I bow to the Apurva Vaidya, or the excellent physician who has removed the entire diseases such as Ragadi, which is the cause for Autsukya, Moha, Arati, and which pervades the whole Sharira of the living being. Adhada Ayushkamiyam Adhyayam Vyakhyasyaamaha Itih Smahuratreyaadayo Maharshayaha. The padas are Adhada Ayushkamiyam Adhyayam Vyakhyasyaamaha Iti ha smahu atreyadayo maharshayaha. The meaning is, the chapter called as Ayushkamiya Adhyaya is being explained, which is taught by the Atreyadi Maharshis. Ayuhu kameyamanena dharmartha sukha sadhanam ayurvedopodesheshu vidheyaha paramadaraha. The padas are Ayuhu kameyamanena dharma artha sukha sadhanam Ayurveda Upadesheshu Vidheyaha Paramadaraha. The meaning of this shloka: the Purusharthas of life are Dharma, Artha, Kama and Moksha. To attain these Purusharthas, one should follow the Upadeshas told in Ayurveda. Ayurveda Avatarana. ब्रह्मा स्मृत्वायुषो वेतं प्रजापतिमजिग्रहत् सोऽश्विनौ तौ सहस्राक्षं सोऽत्रिपुत्रादिकान्मुनि ते अग्निवेशादिकांस्ते तु पृथक् तन्त्राणि तेनिरे. The padas are Brahma smritva ayusho vetam prajapatim ajigrahat so ashvinau tau sahasraksham so atriputradikan munin te agniveshadikamste tu prithak tantrani tenire. The meaning of this shloka: Brahma recollected or memorized the Ayurveda, science of life, and taught it to Daksha Prajapati. From him, the Ashwini Kumaras studied the Ayurveda, which was delivered to Indra, and from him, the Atreyadi Maharshis studied the Ayurveda. The disciples of Atreyadi Maharshis, like Agnivesha, etc., done the Samhitas individually. तेभ्यो अधिविप्रकीर्णेभ्यः प्रायः सारतरोचयः क्रियते अष्टांगहृदयं नाति संक्षेप विस्तरम्. The padas are तेभ्यो अति विप्रकीर्णेभ्यः प्रायः सारतरोचयः क्रियते अष्टांगहृदयं न अति संक्षेप विस्तरम्. The meaning: this Ashtanga Hridaya is being composed by the scattered knowledge of Ayurveda, and this is in the form which is not too elaborate or not too short. The Ashtangas: Kayabala Grahorthvanga Shalyadamshtra Jaravrishan Ashtavankani Tasyahu Chikilsayeshu Samshrita. The padas are Kaya, Bala, Graha, Urthvanga, Shalya, Damshtra, Jara, Vrishan Ashtau Ankani Tasya Ahu Chigilsa Yeshu Samshrita. The meaning: the 8 branches of Ayurveda are Kaya Chigilsa, Bala Chigilsa or Kaumara Bhritya, Graha Chigilsa, Urthvanga Chigilsa or Shalakya Tantra, Shalya Chigilsa, Damshtra or Agata Tantra, Jara or Rasayana Tantra, and Vrisha or Vajikarana Tantra. And the Chigilsa is depending on these 8 branches. Tridosha वायु पित्तं कपश्चेदि त्रयो दोषा समासतः विकृता विकृता देहं घ्नन्ति ते वर्तयन्ति च. The padas are Vayuhu, Pittam, Kapah, Cha iti Trayo dosha samasataha Vikrita, Avikrita, Deham Knanti, Te Vartayanti Cha. In brief, the three doshas are Vayu, Pitta and Kapha. And these doshas, when in Vikrita avastha, it causes the Deham Knanti, disrupts the body, and when it is in Avikrita or Prakrita avastha, it helps in the Vartayanti or maintaining the body. Doshasthana Te Vyapino api hridnabhyo radho madhyortha samshrayaha. The padas are Te Vyapino api hridnabhya adho madhya urdhva samshrayaha. The meaning is, though the three doshas are present always in the body, in the whole body, it is specifically present in below the hrid, the vada dosha, pitta dosha in between hrid and nabhi, and kapha dosha above the hridaya. Dosha kala Vayoho ratri bhuktanam te anda madhyadikaha kramad. The padas are Vaya, Aho, Ratri, Bhuktana, Te, Anda, Madhya, Adikaha, Kramad. The predominance of three doshas in particular time, that is Anda of Vaya, Aha, Ratri and Bhukta is Vada predominant. Pitta dosha is predominant in the Madhya or middle of Vaya, Aha, Ratri and Bhukta, and Kapha dosha is predominant in the beginning or Adi of Vaya, Aha, Ratri and Bhukta. Agni Bheda Tair Bhaved Vishamas Tikshno Mandaschakni Same Samaha. The padas are Taihi Bhaved Vishamaha Tikshno Mandaha Cha Agni Samehi Samaha. Based on the predominance of the three doshas, the different types of Agni are being mentioned. That is Vishamakni in predominance of Vada dosha, Tikshnakni in predominance of Pitta dosha, and Mantakni in predominance of Kapha dosha. When these three doshas are in normal or Sama avastha, the Agni will be Sama. Koshta Bheda Koshta Kruro Mrudur Madhyo Madhyaha Syat Svai Samirapi. The padas are Koshtaha, Kruro, Mruduhu, Madhyo, Madhyaha, Syat, Taihi, Samehi, Api. The meaning, based on the predominance of three doshas, the Koshta Bheda, that is Krura Koshta in Vata predominance, Mrudu Koshta in Pitta predominance, and Madhya Koshta in Kapha predominance. And when the three doshas are in Samavastha, the Koshta will be Madhya. Prakriti Shukrarthavastaihi janmadau visheneva vishakrime taisya tisraha prakrityo hina madhyotama prathak samadhadu samastasu sreshta nindya dvidoshaja. The padas are Shukra Artava Taihi janmadau visheneva vishakrime taisya tisraha prakrityo hina madhya uttamaha prathak samadhadu samastasu sreshta nindya vidoshaja. The meaning is, the Prakriti is being determined at the time of fertilization, that is Shukra Arthava Samyoga, and it is like a Visha Krimi. The poison of a poisonous animal or a Krimi will not be problem for that particular organism. Similarly, the Prakriti will be harmless to the living being, and it is of three kinds: individual dosha based, that is Vata Prakriti, Pitta Prakriti and Kapha Prakriti, in which the Vata Prakriti is considered as Hina, Madhyama is considered as Pitta Prakriti, and Uttama Prakriti is Kapha Prakriti. And when these all three doshas are combined together, such Prakriti is considered as Sreshta, and the Dvidoshaja Prakriti is considered as Nindya. The three dosha gunas: Tatra ruksho lakhu shita khara sukshmas chalo anilaha pittam sasneha tikshnoshnam lakhu visram sarantravam snigdha shito gurur mantha shlakshno mritsna sthirakabha samsarga sannipadascha tadvitri kshayakopataha. The padas are Tatra ruksho lakhu shita khara sukshma chalo anilaha pittam सस्नेह तीक्ष्ण उष्णं लघु विस्रं सरं द्रवं स्निग्धः शीतो गुरुः मंद श्लेक्ष्णो मृत्स्नः स्थिरः कफः संसर्गः सन्निपातश्च तद् द्वि त्रि क्षय कोपतः. The properties of three doshas are Vata dosha is having Roksha, dryness, Lakhu, lightness, Shita, coldness, Khara, roughness, Sukshma, subtleness or minuteness, Chala, the movability. Pitta dosha is having Sasneha, anxiousness or lubricating property, Tikshna, sharp, Ushna, hot, Lakhu, lightness, Visra, the fetid smell, Sara, moving, and Drava, liquid nature. Kapha dosha is having the properties Snigdha, that is lubricating or anxious property, Shita, coldness, Guru, heaviness, Manda, slow, Shlekshna, Mritsnaha, Stiraha, Kapha, that is stable. Then Samsarga is called as the doshas when the Kshaya or Kopa of two doshas and Sannipada, the Kopa or Kshaya of three doshas. दूष्या रसासृक् मांसमेधोस्थि मज्जशुक्राणि धातवः सप्तदूष्याः मला मूत्रशकृत् स्वेदादयो अपि च. The padas are rasa, asrik, mamsa, meda, asthi, majja, shukrani, dhatavaha, sapta dushyaha, mala, mutra, shakrit, svedatayo, api cha. The meaning, the sapta dhatus are rasa, asrik, mamsa, meda, asthi, majja and shukra, and the malas are mutra, shakrit and sveda. These are also called as dushyas. सामान्य विशेष सिद्धांत वृद्धिः समानैः सर्वेषां विपरीतेर विपर्ययः. The padas are वृद्धिः समानैः सर्वेषां विपरीतैः विपर्ययः. The meaning is the things which are having the same properties will enhance the increase of dhadus or malas or doshas, and those which are having the opposite qualities will help in reducing them. Shadrasa रसाः स्वादम्ल लवण तिक्तोष्ण कषायकाः षड्द्रव्यमाश्रितास्ते च यथा पूर्वं बलावः. The padas are रसाः स्वादु अम्ल लवण तिक्त उष्ण कषायकाः षड्द्रव्यम् आश्रितास्ते च यथा पूर्वं बलावः. The six tastes are swadu, amla, lavana, tikta, ushana or katu and kashaya, and these are depending on the dravyas and the potency increases in this particular order. Rasadosha sambandha तत्राद्या मारुदं घ्नन्ति त्रयस्तिक्तादयः कफं कषाय तिक्तमधुराः पित्तमन्येतु कुर्वते. The padas are tatra adya marutam घ्नन्ति त्रय तिक्तादयः कफं कषाय तिक्त मधुराः पित्तम अन्येतु कुर्वते. The meaning is the first three rasas, that is swadu, amla and lavana, decreases the vada dosha. Trayas tiktadhyah kapha, that is tikta, ushana or katu and kashaya reduces the kapha dosha, and kashaya, tikta and mathura rasa reduces the pitta dosha, and the opposite or the other rasas will increases these three doshas respectively. Dravya shamanam kopanam swastahitam dravyamidi tridha. The padas are shamanam, kopanam, swastahitam, dravyam iti tridha. The three types of dravyas are shamana dravyas, kopana dravyas and swastahita dravyas. Viryam Ushnashida gunotkarsha tatra viryam dvidha smritam. The padas are Ushna, Shida, Guna, Utkarshat tatra viryam dvidha smritam. The potency is of mainly two types, that is Ushna in hot potency or Shita cold potency. Vipaka Tridha vipago dravyasya swadamla katukatmakaha. The padas are Tridha vipako dravyasya swadu amla katukatmakaha. The metabolic effect or vipaka is of three types. They are swadu or madhura, amla and katu. Vimshati gunaha गुरुमन्द हिमस्निग्ध श्लक्ष्णसान्द्र मृदुस्थिराः गुणाः ससूक्ष्मविशद विंशतिः सविपर्यय. The padas are Guru, Manda, Hima, Snigdha, Shlakshna, Sandra, Mrudu, Sthira, Gunaha, Sasukshma, Vishada, Vimshatihi, Saviparyaya. The Guru means heavy, Manda, slow, Hima or Shita, cool in nature, Snigdha, anxious or lubricating, Shlakshna, smooth, Sandra, turbid or thick, Mrudu, soft, Sthira, stable, Sukshma, minuteness or fine, Vishada, clarity. These are the 10 properties and opposite of these makes the Vimshati guna or Gurvadi gunas. Roga arogya karanam कालार्थ कर्मणां योगो हीनमिथ्यादि मात्रकः सम्यक् योगश्च विज्ञेयो रोगारोग्येक कारणम्. The padas are kala, artha, कर्मणां योगो हीन मिथ्या अति मात्रकः सम्यक् योगश्च विज्ञेयो रोग आरोग्य एक कारणम्. The union of kala, artha and karma makes a person diseased or healthy. The hina yoga or mithya yoga or adi yoga of kala, artha and karma makes a person roga or rogi, and the samyak yoga of kala, artha and karmana makes arogya. Roga and arogya definition. Rogastu dosha vaishamyam dosha samyam arogata. The padas are rogaha tu dosha vaishamyam dosha samyam arogata. The dosha vaishamya leads to the formation of roga, and when these dosha are in samya avastha, it leads to the arogya. Today we have discussed a few shlokas from Ashtanga Hridaya Sutrasthana first chapter. In the upcoming videos, we will be discussing the rest. Meanwhile, please subscribe to my channel and enable the bell button for continuous updates. Thank you. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.